All right, so time to talk about a sex side effect
Get
for men.
serious. Come on, people.
Let me get myself together. So a lot of fellas experience clarity or clear-mindedness immediately after they do what they do.
I did not know this. What happened to women? I don't know. Well, let's find out. Dr. Viviana Coles with Houston Relationship Therapy is here to explain what this is. Post-Climax clarity. I've never heard of it.
Right. Well, if you look it up online, you're going to have to do a little bit of a slang term, just so you know.
Okay.
We're not going to say it here. I'm not crass like that.
Okay.
I can talk about sex all the time, but I'm not crass. So here's the thing. After ejaculating, there are changes that happen both in the hormones and also the level of satisfaction and tension that leaves your body or that is produced by your body. And so all of a sudden, maybe post-ejaculation, you're like, oh, I'm sexually satisfied. I can think more clearly. Or dopamine levels change, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, I don't feel... I feel more relaxed. I feel more calm. There isn't that frenetic energy. And a lot of men rely on that to get through the day and to go into meetings or new dates for the first time. And so they'll make sure that they do ejaculate before doing that in order to feel like they're really clear-headed. And there is real science behind it. So way to go, guys.
So what exactly, you talked about this a little bit, what exactly causes this?
Okay, so when those dopamine levels change, your body relaxes. And when that happens, you don't feel like, you can start to actually think about things more clearly and differently. It's all in the name. It's right there. Sorry, I mean, it's, and then the prolactin is released, and there's just... And as I was reading about all of this, because of course you've heard it in like this very social setting, it's like, oh yeah, you need to do this before you go into this meeting, or do this before you run a race, or, you know, a lot of times people will, actually athletes will say, I am going to abstain from ejaculating to keep that energy in my body. And at first I was like, is that a real thing? You know, I'm not male, so I don't know. And then I looked into it, I'm like, oh, this all makes really good sense. A lot of men should be, for prostate health as well as mental health, make sure that they're clearing their bodies and running the system, so to say, at least 3 to 4 times a week.
So it just sounds like there's a lot of positives about it.
A lot of positives. You start to experience some emotional neutrality. So if you've been feeling very stressed out, a lot of men, actually I will say some of my clients will report using ejaculation and masturbation in that way as kind of a pacifier. I don't want it to be the go-to every single time you're experiencing stress, but it certainly can alleviate those symptoms. And of course, that can lead to less frustration and less tension between you and your partner, which is always a good thing.
Oh yeah, a very good thing.
Yeah.
All right, well, Dr. V, we appreciate you weighing in on on a topic that many people may know about and some people may not.
Survived another.
Survived another one.
Until Thursday.
Until next week. You're right, this week. We'll see you.
We have a day to recover. Coming up next, daily habits that could be causing wrinkles. No.